Good Monday, everyone. And some of us have a coating of snow out there this morning. And so this will be our first light snow of the season. It is very light snow here at my house. We've got the leaves are covered and the cars are covered and whatnot, but just a very light coating of snow. We will probably add to that today. So the counties you see shaded in blue on the map there in front of you are winter weather advisories that are in effect today. Most of these going into effect at noon today and expiring at around 6 p.m. this evening, though any snow-covered roadways or whatnot that have resulted from today's snow showers would probably remain problematic through the night. The white shaded counties that you see over near the Smoky Mountains, that's for the higher elevations of the Smokies where they are under a winter storm warning. They could see snowfall amounts ranging anywhere from 4 inches in the lowest elevations to 15 inches in the higher elevations with 35 to 45 mile per hour northwest winds. Yeah, so if you want to see a blizzard today, you need to get over to the Smoky Mountains and get to the higher peaks because, my goodness, they are going to have it. You see scrolling on the bottom of your screen there that we are under a winter weather advisory for this afternoon. And you see there, too, where heavier snow showers may reduce visibility on the roadways. If you encounter one of these heavier snow showers, could reduce visibility to near zero, which could also lead to, to a rapid snow covering of the road. And even if it melts, 15 minutes later, little good it does if you slipped on that while you were driving on it. So just something to kind of keep in mind. Also, roadways that have a lot of leaves and stuff on them, obviously these leaves are going to collect the snow. So the windy conditions will help remove the heat away from the roads too. So sometimes we forget that these brisk northwest winds also help cool surfaces more efficiently. I know folks up in the in parts of the Midwest yesterday, they had been in the 60s and 70s on Saturday, and yesterday they ended up with several inches of snow. Many of them were commenting, if I hear one more person say a warm ground can't hold snow, I hear that every single year, and every single year we end up busting that myth. There is no such thing. If it snows hard enough, fast enough, it's going to stick. So just keep that stuff in mind. And look at this. This is the snow cover map. And look at that. The Cumberland Plateau is highlighted right here in Tennessee. So aren't we lucky? I think we are. Others are ready for this to be over with. But as you see from the 5-day outlook coming up, it does end rather quickly. Upper Cumberland Federal Credit Union bringing us our headlines. Bitter cold Monday, accumulating snowfall possible, but a big warming trend coming by Wednesday. Today's level of concern, level 2. It is a meteorologist marked weather alert day for snow showers and cold temperatures. And of course, that winter weather advisory that is in effect starting at noon. And the 5-day winter weather outlook, just looking at today. So once we get past today, the wintry weather will be starting to really lessen its grip on our area. Medium concern now for snow, medium concern now for dangerously cold temperatures. And this is the culprit. This is what we call the 500 millibar geopotential. It's a long thing. Anyways, it shows you how cold temperatures are just above us up in the atmosphere. And it also shows you how unusual it is. So the darker the shading, the blue, the more unusual, the more below average these temperatures are in our atmosphere for this time of the year. And this is quite the system. And it's like a wrecking ball that has just swung right down over Tennessee and Kentucky. And this is for this afternoon. So it's going to be super cold in the atmosphere above us. So that's going to cause lapse rates to be really steep. That means temperatures decrease rapidly with height. And that causes an unstable atmosphere. And you throw some northwest winds in there, running up against the edge of the plateau and pushing the air upward, that just makes it even more unstable. So that just really increases our chances for snow showers for this afternoon on into the evening hours. So quite an impressive system for this time of the year. Clearview Closet and Blind brings us our 5-day forecast. So snow showers today, highs only in the upper 20s, going down into the upper teens tonight. But then by Veterans Day, tomorrow, Tuesday, the winds switch to the southwest. We get on the back side of this Arctic high, which means the winds switch southerly, and we already jump up to 43. And then look at that. Wednesday, 55. Thursday, 57. Friday, 63. So some of us may even hit 60 on Thursday per the latest data. So interesting stuff, huh? M&M's precip chances, as you can see there, Snow showers with us this morning, about 30% chance. I've been seeing some flurries all morning out here. But then from that noon hour to about 3 p.m., it looks like the highest chances for snow showers, and then beginning to trail off as we get closer to sunset. Forecast snowfall totals, high confidence now in 1 inch or less. Some of y'all will get closer to the less. Some of y'all will get closer to the inch. And there will be isolated higher amounts, especially from, say, like Monterey to, say, Jamestown. That's looking like an area that we've been keeping an eye on that could have some locations get over an inch, like even an inch and a half or so. Just depends on if you get a series of those heavier snow showers. And the snow day forecast, of course, no school in Cumberland County today. And I haven't heard from the other counties just yet, but I suspect some of the others have canceled. But for Tuesday, I'm giving it a 90% chance of another snow day. Weichert Realtors bring us our extended threads. Just watching next week there's another system the end of next weekend that confidence is very low on what that system is going to do. So I'll have to fine tune that. And then we have another system the end of that week that I'll have to watch. On this day in weather history, brought to us by B&H Storm Shelters, Middle Tennessee suffers one of the worst severe weather outbreaks. We had a tornado go through the Tansy community of Cumberland County, and it is the deadliest tornado in Cumberland County history, killing 4 people. And so a very, very, very bad day on the Cumberland Plateau. So when we're looking at this cold and snow, if you don't like it, just remember things could be warm and very stormy this time of the year. And again, looking at those winter weather advisories, they are in effect from noon to 6 p.m. Be careful if you're out and about. Drive with care. I've got even more information on the app and website. You know where to find those. You all take care and keep looking up. Try to enjoy the snow.